and we see quite often is giant bows. The giant bows add an element of luxury to our garments. So today's project is inspired from this glove sleeve dress. This dress is originally for $600 and that is a lot to spend if you are a DIY bee. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hello there. Here we DIY a lot of fashionable clothes, and if you have a fashion taste quite similar to me, subscribe so you'll never miss an update. Now without any further ado, let's quickly dive into the video and we'll see the procedure to make this bow glove sleeve dress. Now let's start with the procedure. First things first, what kind of fabric we'll need. So here I decided to use taffeta fabric. You can also use satin fabric if you wish, but taffeta fabric is going to provide you the desired structural results for the bow. So yeah, taffeta fabric is my suggested fabric for this project. As we can clearly see that the original dress has a 2-layered bow. So for that we need to cut 2 strips to prepare those bows. In order to cut the strips for the fabric, first we'll fold the fabric widthwise and then again widthwise. So in this way we'll end up with a 4-folded fabric. Now mark 8 inches down from here, and this is going to be the width of the strip. Now again mark 10 inches from here, and this is going to be the width of the second strip. So these strips are on 4-fold. Here we are going to mark 10 inches, and on the second strip we are going to mark 12 inches. Now with good sides facing each other, we are going to sew straight all along the edges, leaving a small opening to turn it to the right side. We'll perform the similar procedure for both the strips. Once we are done with the sewing part, we'll flip our strip to the right side using that small opening. To make the bow, we'll start by stacking both the strips together. So first goes the larger, and that is followed by the smaller strip. So now once the strips are stacked together, we'll start by pleating from one end, and we'll continue doing it until we reach the very end. Now we'll prepare a fabric belt and we'll add it in the middle of the bow. Wrap the fabric belt in the middle of the bow and sew at the end part to secure that belt in place. Now to prepare the bicep band, we are going to prepare another fabric belt which has a width of 1 inch, and the length of this fabric belt will be 6 inches greater than the actual circumference of your bicep area. Once we are done with sewing, we'll flip that strip to the right side. Now we'll insert the elastic. So to determine the length of the elastic to be inserted, wrap it around your bicep area and then cut it out. Once it's cut, we are going to slip that elastic in that fabric belt. So using safety pin, we are going to insert the elastic, and once the elastic is inserted, we are going to flip it to the wrong side, that is good sides kissing each other, and we are going to sew here, that is doing the side seams, and this is our bicep belt. On that bicep band we are going to place our bow, and once we have placed the bow correctly in the middle part, we are going to sew using hand stitches over and under, and we are going to sew it until it's nice and connected. And once it's sewed, we are done. We are going to prepare another sleeve in the similar way. In order to create that bow glove sleeve effect, we are going to first wear the black gloves and then our bow sleeves. So this is going to create that bow sleeve effect. I bought these black gloves from Amazon to use in this particular project. So yeah, and for the base dress, you can use any of your basic bodycon dresses which is strapless. You can even use a dress with straps. It's as per your taste and preference. Wear all the pieces together and you will have something like this. And we are done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for latest updates.